the Google Pixel 8 Pro a legend? Or is it just a side character in this clash of innovation? We have in front of us the new Google Pixel 8 Pro. We're gonna unbox it, and right here we have the phone. Ooh, charging cable, an adapter, and the user manual with the magical key, of course, made out of paper. The phone looks more or less the same as the previous versions, but a few things are different, and we'll get to them soon. Let's start with the display. The Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch Actua display with a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate LTPO. The Actua display is 42% brighter than the one on Pixel 7. It keeps the HDR looking good even when it's in direct sunlight. Actua refers to the actual brightness of the HDR display, going at its peak to 2400 nits. That's a lot. Vivid colors? Yes. Deep blacks? Correct. Nice. It's one of the best displays out there, and now they gave up on the slightly curved edges and made it completely flat. It's an improvement in my opinion. Also, it does this nice thing with the dynamic island in the front, which iPhone is also doing, but I like it. The fingerprint though is a little bit lazy, but no Pixels had a snappy fingerprint scan. Don't get me wrong, it's good, it's almost instant, but it's not as good as the Samsung one. The hardware is pretty on point as well. This OG has 12 GB of RAM and it's powered by a Tensor G3 processor, which is blazing fast. In fact, it is custom made for this device and it is integrated with Google AI, which can be used for both photos and videos, such as removing noise from a video or objects from a photo, but we will talk about that in a bit. We went through some extremely thorough testing and we got to the conclusion that in fact it is nice. I
like it, Picasso. Yeah, that.
Oh, and I don't think you're subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe. And now, let's get ready for the unexpected. The main focus of this phone is the camera. Wow! Shocker, right? Yes, it still is one of the best phones out to take pictures with. And it was all thoroughly planned. Because Google basically owns Android, it can do some really nifty stuff with the software and optimize it really well for this particular range of phones, taking advantage of all its resources. Camera-wise, as we are all very much accustomed to the Holy Trinity, we have a main, wide and telephoto lens. The main lens is a 50 megapixel f1.68 aperture and takes amazing night photos. Not to say that the other ones are bad at doing that. We also have a ultra-wide 48 megapixel lens with a f1.95 aperture and the 48 megapixel f2.5 telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, whilst the front camera is a 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide f2.2 camera, and it takes really nice selfies. Many of the things that you see in the pictures or videos are actually software related. The most insane thing about the Pixel this year is the photo editor. The first thing that you notice is the ease of selecting a thing and moving it wherever you want, with AI generating the background. Is your face blurry in one of the pictures? No, it's not. I'm blurred. Now let's pretend that you take a group photo with all your friends, so both of you are in the picture.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Just take a bunch of photos and AI will detect those photos taken consecutively. And it's gonna let you choose your face. You blinked? No, you didn't. You were sad? No, you weren't. It's insane. Also, it has a thing called Noise Eraser, which lets you cancel the wind. You're cancelled. It basically separates the sounds and you can turn them up or down. The difference between the Pro and normal, it's mostly software related. The normal would be able to do almost everything the Pro does, but the software just doesn't allow it. Apple much? I mean, of course, a hacker boy will be able to use the normal as a Pro and post whatever he did on the internet sooner or later. The big difference between the two is, are you ready? $300 or pounds. The normal is $700 or pounds. and the Pro is $1,000 or pounds. And honestly, for what it does, and for a flagship phone in these times, I think it's worth it. One small thing about the Google Assistant, which I absolutely love, is this feature. I am minding my business reading an article, but I see that I need to scroll for like 10 minutes to finish reading it. Not anymore. Hey Google, summarize this article.
Sorry, I can't summarize on this device yet.
Poof! 3 bullet points with the main things of the article. But that's not it. Down here, I have the questions that I may ask so he can answer them for me automatically. I don't like it. I
like it, Picasso. Yeah.
Battery life with this screen that wants to mimic a neutron star? Not too shabby and actually reliable. It lasts a normal day, like a flagship phone. Will it last a day in 6 months? We don't know, but for now, it does. Honestly, I love this phone, and after a while using it, when you'll move to another phone, you will see that some things are missing. This phone is not a side character. I knight him with the rank of legend. That was it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and leave a comment down below to tell us what you think about the new Google Pixel 8 Pro. Also, the last 2 videos are right here. Bye!